2005 Chevy Silverado Z85 package, towing package. Excuse me. And it's got the 4.8 in it. Still got the stock converters there and there, into singled into a Y. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW muffler, 14-inch body, out the side with a 4-inch tip, rolled edge, right there like that. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. That's how it's set up right there. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. It's the Z85 package.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.